I made more than 15,000 euros in side income in just 8 months while working from my bedroom. It doesn't matter your current situation. Maybe you are far away from home and you are working in a foreign country, or you work a job you don't like just to support your family. I'm here to tell you that even if you have no money to start with today, you can make 5,000 euros per month in less than 8 months. Let me show you how. My journey began in Nigeria in 2017. My 1-year-old startup had recently collapsed, leaving me grappling with financial losses and an emotional breakdown. In the midst of the chaos, I made a bold decision to study in Germany for my master's degree in business and economics. When I arrived in Germany in October 2017, the temperature was -8 degrees. Bro, it was crazy. I have never experienced such extreme weather conditions before. Although I was mentally prepared for this, my body was not. You see, I had spent my entire life in temperatures never dropping below 26 degrees Celsius. As a result, I fell ill shortly after my arrival. The challenging weather conditions, coupled with financial struggles, forced me to take maniac jobs to provide food and shelter for myself. Also, making new friends was a difficult task because I couldn't speak the German language. This made me feel lonely and depressed. It felt like hell and I wanted to go back home to the things I knew and I was much more familiar with. However, I was mentally resilient, determined not to continue living in those kind of conditions. After several months of struggling, I did a search on Google on how to start an online business. Then I discovered an e-commerce business model called dropshipping, which I will explain in more detail in other videos. This discovery made me decide to start my own e-commerce business. It was very difficult for me to design and develop an e-commerce store because I didn't have the skills to build a professional website. The day before my birthday, I successfully completed the design and setup of my first e-commerce store using Shopify after countless hours in front of the computer. On my birthday, April 13, 2018, I launched my business to the world. While visiting the Porsche Museum, I received 3 notifications on my smartphone. They were orders from people I had never met before. You can imagine how excited I was, thinking I would become a millionaire soon. However, I noticed the spending on Facebook advertisements exceeded my revenue and I couldn't afford to continue. I made a tough decision to shut down my business. This made me feel defeated and devastated. The only solution I thought would bring me out of my misery eventually didn't turn out as I had thought. Now, moving forward, something began to dawn on me. 3 strangers from different parts of the world had paid me over the internet. Even though I had lost money with Facebook ads and I had to close down my business, it made me think, if 3 people could believe in me, why not millions? That event inspired me to learn more skills so I could build a better business next time. Some of the skills I was able to learn were web design, web development, and digital marketing for e-commerce. Fast forward to January 2023, I decided to start another online business, but this time I sold digital products and offered my services as a web designer and web developer online. In 2023, I sold my product and services to hundreds of people around the world, generating over 15,000 euros in side income. Some of you might say it's not a huge amount, but compared to my first business where I faced losses and compared to having nothing at all, I believe this is significant. If I can make 15,000 euros from nothing at all, I believe I can make millions. For those of you watching this video right now, do you know that starting an online business has never been easier? You see, in the past, you had to go through many hurdles just to legally register your business and have a foreign bank account. Today, you can do all of that in just minutes. I will show you how in my other videos. Through social media platforms, I've reached over 2.5 million people without spending a dime on advertising. All it took was uploading valuable content on TikTok and Instagram to help my audience solve their problems. This experience has made me realize that there are no limits to your earning potential online. With discipline and the right skills such as web development and digital marketing for e-commerce, you can make good income online. These skills made me generate over 15,000 euros in side income and gaining invaluable experiences, all from the comfort of my bedroom. using only a laptop and a smartphone with internet access. You've heard my story, and I believe you can start your own online business as well. If you are wondering how to get started, watch the video to the right side of my screen and I will show you exactly how to begin your business in 2024 without any advertising expenses, all from the comfort of your home. With the 3 tips I will provide for you in that video, you can progress from being a complete beginner to generating at least 5,000 euros per month.